Hi, Dr. McMahon. Thank you for this exciting moment. I'm fired up that you're going to be joining us down from Napa to come and lecture to us on a topic that we are both so passionate about, the solutions for soft tissue preservation around implants. Please tell us a little bit about yourself and about the topic that's going to be of great interest for the doctors.
Yes, my name is Alex McMahon. I'm in private practice oral maxillofacial surgery in Napa in Santa Rosa, California. I really, look forward to the opportunity to kind of sharing my clinical insights, which has done really well for my practice in terms of soft tissue management. And the idea of my practice is really to focus on preservation from the stance of never losing control. And what we mean by that is by managing the soft tissue architecture from the moment the tooth is extracted through the use of immediacy, through the use of the anatomical healing abutment that kind of service as a tissue conformer, as well as integrating fast integration timelines through the IXL program and Straumann for the best results with the highest predictability.
Wonderful, wonderful. Yeah, I'm looking forward to see June 6th. It's on Saturday morning. A lot will be there.
I can't wait to see you and the rest of your colleagues and look forward to having a wonderful time in Los Angeles with y'all.
Thanks, my friend.